I'm sure everybody has had this problem before where one of the screws on the deal is just stripped out completely. What you can do is you can just shove toothpicks down there, break them off, and then even if you wanted to do a little bit more, just pour some glue into a little container. Oh, just get a little bit of glue on it and jam it in there, break it off, and that should fill up the gap pretty good. Something to push that the rest of the way in there. You can use even the tip of your screwdriver. Alright, so that should be good now, and you just try to find a center spot to start your screw.